Hi guys, and welcome to my video. Today's video we're actually going to put two subscription boxes up against each other. They're both very affordable. It's going to be Walmart versus Target beauty box. I purchased both of the Target beauty boxes. I'll explain how the Target beauty boxes work in just a moment. And then Walmart sends their box once every quarter, and they happen to come around the same time. So Target's are monthly, Walmart's is quarterly, but because I got them at the same time and they're both really affordable, I thought I would compare them. For the Walmart beauty box, you get this every season and it's $5. You're just paying for shipping, and they're sending you some pretty good sized sample sizes of items that they carry in Walmart. You take a pretty intense survey for this one. I'll post some of the questions up over here while we're talking. And I think that it does a really good job, but I don't know how well it customizes to you. So this is going to be probably my winter box because I got this like end of February or beginning of March. I am a little late in filming these, but I think this is the winter box. Open her up, it says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. So everything in here I paid a total of $5, which they say is the shipping costs. So all the products inside are free. You just have to pay for shipping this box. And this is definitely my winter box. It says Winter Wonders. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com. They do want you to leave ratings, but it's not required. They are usually sample size, but they're pretty good sizes. So for example, the first thing I have is Avena Moisturizing Lotion, Hand and Body, and this is 3.4 ounces. It's interesting because it also has some Spanish right here, which I'm not even gonna butcher. I think it's unscented. It doesn't really have a scent to it. I mean, it feels like it's soaked in pretty well and like it is pretty moisturizing, so I feel like that's pretty good. And next I have this little Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray. It says Ultra Clear Black and White. So I guess it's like a spray on deodorant, which I don't really feel like doing on camera, but I'm gonna go try it and see how it feels. So first impression is that it sprays really hard, which is good, I think. And I didn't really see marks on my shirt or anything, so I do think this ultra clear formula is probably safe to use for black clothing. This does contain aluminum, which is an antiperspirant. Some people avoid aluminum. I personally do not, because I'm like, I just want the strongest deodorant as humanly possible on my body. I am trying to switch over, but I just have I haven't trusted an aluminum-free version of deodorant yet. This one has it at 20.2%, so if that's something you're avoiding, you probably wouldn't use this, but it's also an aerosol, which isn't the best for the environment. Next, we have Color Club Nail Lacquer, and I got mine in Take It or Leaf It, which is weird because I would expect that color to be kind of green, and this is a blush tone. Blush is like the only pink color that I really like. If something's too pink, I won't wear it, but I would definitely wear this. I'm gonna do a quick coat on my thumb so you can see what it looks like. I did this very messily, but that is the color right there. And I have kind of darker skin, so I feel like it would work really well with my skin having kind of like lighter nails. This is basically a full-size sample. Like, look at the size of this. There's no way this isn't full size. I gotta be careful with this nail now while it dries. We also got a single Neutrogena makeup removing cleansing towelette. I have used these before. When I traveled to Japan, I took some of these with me just because it's easier. I prefer to have a washable makeup remover wipe, but these work really good for travel. I know they sell them like this too, which would be really convenient, but also it's just extra plastic, so I'm not a complete fan of the packaging. And the last item is from NYX Professional Makeup, and this says Makeup Crew on it, and it's a 2-piece, it says not for sale, so I'm sure that's because it's sample size, matte lip cream, and metallic lip cream. Okay, so these are pretty good size as well. You can't even get them out this way. What's the point? They look pretty similar, but I guess one is the matte version and one is the metallic version. So the matte product has beeswax, so I'm not gonna open this because I'm probably gonna give it away or like send it to someone. But the metallic one does not have beeswax, so this one I can use. So let's swatch that. So I'm assuming the other one's this exact color, but without any shimmer to it, just like a matte formula. Because in the bottles, they look almost exactly the same in color. This is really pretty, actually. I could definitely wear that. So that box is a subscription. It is the cheapest subscription I have at $5 total. $20 a year, so $5 each box, total $20. I understand they're like smaller sizes, but I still think that's pretty good actually. For $5, I think I got a pretty good deal. I'm gonna add up the total and then I'll be right back. So the total retail value, these three are actually full-size items. They're the exact ounces you would get if you bought full size, and these are each $6.47 and this one is $5. So just together these three are like $18. This is worth 60 cents, this is worth 30 cents, and this is worth about $1.25. So all in all together, you have about a $20 retail value for your $5 shipping fee. So $5 winter box valued at $20 with 3 full-size items. That's pretty dope. So let's move over to the Target boxes. Target boxes are a little bit different. They come out every single month and they come with a bunch of items, again, that you could find in Target. And this is not a subscription. So Target will announce when they get released, and I got the announcement via email, and then you go on and you buy them. They do actually sell out because they're usually a pretty good deal. I got both of the March boxes, so that's what we have here. And I'm gonna open both of them and we'll just like treat them as separate boxes and calculate their totals like that. So another thing about the Target box is that they are themed. See, it says dermatologist trusted skincare. Another thing about the Target beauty boxes is you will know what's inside of them because there's a little photo when they release the box that shows you all the items inside that you can get. First, we have one from CeraVe. This is their foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. I've heard really good things about this brand being gentle, but I have never personally used the brand. So I will love to try this. Definitely this is a good like travel size, but it's not gonna be something where I'm gonna see results right away. I don't know how to say this next brand, but I think it's La Roche-Posay. It's a sunscreen, and it's a mineral sunscreen, which I love. I prefer mineral sunscreen to chemical sunscreen. Let's see what they use. So this has titanium dioxide at 11%. Mineral sunscreen, absolutely love that. It also says advanced protection with Cell Ox Shield, which is UVA and UVB antioxidant. And it says it's water resistant for 40 minutes, fragrance free and paraben free. So I love all of that. I don't feel like there's very much in this sample. Yeah, it feels like it's half gone. But it is tinted. I don't know how they would know what tint I am, but I mean, it kind of does look like it matches me. So their coloring is pretty perfect, or maybe it adjusts to your skin tone because it does look like it matched me pretty well. Feels good, doesn't feel greasy, anything like that. Absorbing pretty well. You can see only this part's still kind of wet there. From the same company, and I'm not gonna butcher this name twice, we also have the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This says for normal to dry skin. So that's confusing why they would have one product for normal to oily and one product for normal to dry, because obviously the same people wouldn't be able to use both of them, but I guess it's so that no matter who gets the box, they have something. This is not something I'll use. I'll probably give it to a friend or family member that I know has dry skin. This is called a Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This says it has ceramide and niacinamide in it. It feels really good. It feels like really silky. And again, this seems like it's unscented, which I do love. So this is the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen. So this does contain chemical sunscreens. It also contains mineral sunscreens. It's kind of got a little bit of both. Personally, I won't use chemical sunscreens because I don't think that they're good for our environment. So I probably won't be using this one. I'll use the other one instead. Then another bottle from CeraVe. This is their Eye Repair Cream. Reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness. Helps repair and restore protective skin barrier. I honestly don't use eye cream, even though I totally should. Just looking in here, like I can look at it and it looks like this much is the sample. So the last brand in this dermatologist recommended box is the Vichy Laboratories, and we got 3 items here. This is a skin fortifying daily booster, and then this is eye fortifier. So this one's called Aqualia Thermal Rehydrating Cream Rich for dry to very dry skin. This does have kind of a mild scent. Ooh, it's pretty thick. It's like butter consistency. So that is a lot. I got that for $7, and let's go calculate. So after calculating, there was one brand that was really, really expensive, but the rest were like okay price. And this is valued at $17 and I paid $7 for it. This one is a much larger box, and it's interesting because it says out of office on it. And when I bought this, it was way before anybody was working from home. So it's kind of weird that they would name their box out of office, but that's what we got. So this is their spring break box. The theme is spring break. This is the size of everything that we got in here. This looks like it's a full-size product. Some of these actually like look pretty large, right? Way bigger than the last one we did with the dermatologist recommended box. First, we have a witch hazel mist, and this one is in the scent Rose Petal. This is alcohol-free. I personally like witch hazel. I do think it does really great stuff for my face. But if you don't like witch hazel, you probably hate it because you hate the scent. But this one is scented with rose, so we're gonna see if that gives it a nice rose scent too. I wouldn't say that it really smells rosy, but I don't have a problem with witch hazel, and I don't think that this is like a really strong witch hazel smell, but obviously if you don't like witch hazel, this wouldn't be of value to you. Next, we have a brand that I really like. It's Not Your Mother's, and for this, it is their Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. This, I already use it. I do like it. I always buy this in the Target like travel section. We also got this Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. So that's 2 dry shampoos. I guess when you're on vacation, you would want this other one. This does kind of have a coconut scent to it, and I haven't used this one before, so I can't say for sure how great it is. And then we have 2 travel shampoo and conditioner. This is the Nexus brand. I do like that brand actually. I think it's pretty good. And this is their Protein Fusion with elastin protein and green caviar series. Yeah, that smells really refreshing. I like that a lot. It has kind of a sweet scent to it, but it's not super overpowering. And then we have a daily facial cleanser. This is from Cetaphil. I do like their cleanser. It's super good for sensitive skin. If you break out really easy from cleansers, this is a really nice one that won't really make you break out because it is pretty gentle. This says it is for normal to oily skin. So this is a natural deodorant. As you probably know from the beginning of this video, I haven't found a natural deodorant that I fell in love with, but this is from Schmidt's. I think I have heard good things about that brand actually. And it's rose petal and black pepper, which does not sound like a smell I want to smell like, but we're gonna smell it in just a second. And it said it's a hemp seed oil enriched natural deodorant. This has a really strong black pepper smell. I don't really even smell the rose. Like, to me, it smells like black pepper. It does say it is a sensitive skin formula, and I will definitely be trying it out. This itself is valued at $8, so I paid $7 for this box as well. So just getting this makes up the price of the box. So let me add up the rest of the box, and then I'll give you the total, and then we'll close this video out. So far I think this one is the best deal. For $5 I got 20, so that was 15. And then for $7 I got 17. I don't even remember what that one was. I think it was 17 or 18, so that was $11. This one for $7 we got $27 worth of value. These were actually really easy to find their price because they're all the same size except for this small one of their travel section items. So I didn't even have to calculate like dividing stuff up because everything kind of already came at its price. So this is a pretty good come up, $20 extra worth of stuff, and I definitely know that all 5 of these products I have used before and like. And then these 2 products are new to me, so I'll get to try them. So luckily there's nothing in here that I really would hate. Those are the cheapest beauty boxes that I personally have found. If you know of a beauty box that is cheaper than $5, please let me know down below. Walmart is the cheapest, $5. $20 annual, and then Target $7, and you can't really do annual because it's not a subscription. Technically, both of the ones that I just opened are still available on Target's website, $7 each, free shipping. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below what you think, which of the three is your favorite box, the Walmart, the Spring Break Target, or the Skincare Target box. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!